going to explain and show you what's in the 5-piece Tooth Keeper set from Tooth Fairy's Tale. First, this is the packaging on the outside. It's beautiful quality packaging. You lift up the top flap and there's a window that shows the product and the directions on the top flap. Isn't that great? Isn't that beautiful? That's for the boy. This is for the girl. Look how beautifully that is displayed. Such a nice gift. So that's the packaging, and what is included is you get the baby teeth keepsake book, which stores all 20 baby teeth the child loses. Once this is filled out, this is a sample of what it will look like. It stores all 20 baby teeth, just like they looked in the child's mouth. You put their picture here, wherever the tooth came out, the date, and their name. This is the boys, and this is the girls. Isn't that great? So neat. They also get a chenille tooth pillow, and they have a special tooth keeper, which is a Tooth Fairy special helper that brings the brushing performance to the Tooth Fairy, how the child's doing. The boy has a super tooth hero, and the girl has this fairy princess. She's very whimsical and ornate and just adorable. She has metallic gold, red, and blue in her hair. And the boy has a wand, a toothbrush instead of a wand, and a cape instead of wings because he's for boys. They also get a easy reading book that explains how it works, from losing their tooth to putting it under the pillow, finding their tooth keeper and their special surprise, all the way at the end when they're promising to brush and floss twice a day for their special surprise from the tooth keeper. It's just such a great gift. And then the toothbrushing chart. When they brush their teeth in the morning, they color in the sun. In the evening, they color in the moon. Once this whole chart is filled in and there's nothing missing, they get to hide. They put this in their tooth pillow, and then they get to wake up and search all over for their tooth keeper and special surprise. So get them started early, around 3 or 4. It's a fun game. And they start losing their teeth around 5 or 6. It makes great gifts. It's great grandkid gifts. It's quality. You'll keep it forever. It's a tradition that you pass down to your kids, that they'll pass down to their kids. So anyway, if you have any questions, you visit our website and you can get all our information there. Thank you.